and welcome in to be our guest. I recently had a physical, and at the physical, the doctors asked me, "Are you afraid of falling?" Because I'm getting a little bit older, and as you age, the chances of you falling, especially at your house, start to escalate immensely. Steve Schroeder's here from Georgia Floors Direct. And Steve, if I had that problem, I can come to you at Georgia Floors Direct, and you've got an answer.
I do. I do. Hopefully, we will not be sending you to a senior living facility.
Amen.
There,
but you never know.
But well, we're not going to do that. We're not going to speak that.
And a lot of our viewers are, they're now empty nesters. They're downsizing. They're going, or they want to remodel the house they've got because they like it. But in many cases, the carpeting that's in there is not the best for them as they age.
That's right. As we live our day-to-day lives in our houses, we want something that we're not going to have to tippy-toe around on.
Amen.
And make sure that, don't take this into that room. We want to use common sense, but we also want to have a carpet that's going to be able to stand up for that. This is one of those particular carpets. It's called Hollywood by Dreamweaver.
Okay.
That we have in several assisted living facilities here in town. Now, they wanted something that is not going to be a huge pile height because they didn't want a tripping hazard in their facility. So it's a really, really pulled down tight. Here's a good example. When I was young and had more hair, I used to keep my hair about this short, and it would stand straight up like a flat top. The longer I let it fall down, the longer I let it grow out, the more it's going to fall down. Same way with that carpet fiber. The longer that carpet fiber is, the more you're going to see traffic patterns in there, and it's going to be more of a tripping hazard. We didn't want that for the assisted living facilities.
Right.
So we got something that was really pulled down, not going to trip, and something that was also not going to stain. It's not stain proof, but it's pretty darn close. And the reason is because you have this
example with a carrot.
It's almost like a carrot. It has that color that goes all the way through. It's not something that's just topically applied on there and you hope for the best.
Right.
It is that color goes through and through on this particular carpet. The Pure Color Solution dyed fiber, that again, there's already something occupying the pores of that fiber. So in theory, you can't get anything else down in there. So it gives you time to take care of that stain. And that's what we're looking for at our homes and in our businesses at work.
Okay, so we need to let our viewers know, and flip that whole panel around, because there's a lot of varieties of color.
Oh, yeah.
And, from light to a darker color. And while Steve was mentioning the fact that this is used in commercial use or in assisted living facilities, this is also perfect for your home.
It is.
It's something that if you're considering doing anything in the house, consider this because it's going to be safe and give you durability also.
That's exactly right. Now, what we want to do is we want to couple this with a good pad. The job of that pad is to push that carpet fiber back up. So as long as it does that, then you're going to extend the life of your carpet. But we do have the colors from light to dark, medium shade, earth tones, grays, whatever you're looking for. And again, so many different choices there at the store. Hundreds and hundreds of remnants, hundreds of rolls of stock in stock.
Can this be used obviously as a wall-to-wall, but it can also be used as an area rug?
Absolutely.
It can be made into an area rug. So if you have an area, and that's the other area, another area, but
area.
Where people have a lot of problems, is they'll trip over an area rug, and especially if it's not one that's like this.
That's exactly right. With that pulled down, with that carpet fiber pulled down really tight, you're going to at least minimize the opportunity to trip on that. And now is a time where I want to mention this real quickly, if I may. In regards to the area rugs, please come in there right now. Now is the time to do that, to get your area rugs, especially with the city of Montgomery. All of their teachers are looking to get their area rugs done for next year's school year now. But in order to get it in time, we've got to get you on the schedule now in order to do that. So come in, see me, any of the trained professionals there at Georgia Floors Direct. We'll be glad to talk with you about what we can do to get your area rug done for you.
Good. Well, Steve, thank you so much. Again, make a visit so you can see all that they have to offer and get some pricing. They'll come out and do the measurements for you at no additional cost. Georgia Floors Direct on the Eastern Boulevard across from Lowe's, open 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And we'll be right back right after this.